okay? So I'm going to show you how. All the hair details will be in the description box. So basically everything that I did in the front, I had to do at the back. And as you can see, I put a little bit too much glue at the bottom because I couldn't really see properly, and that ended up leaving a white mark, but you'll see it later. But don't stress about it, especially if you're going to be doing this alone. Don't let it stress you out. You can always clean it up later. And I didn't want to cut this part out and lie to you about how messy it was because it was my first time. So that's exactly why I'm showing you and I'm letting you know. So don't come for me, okay? I tried. Can you see that white line I was telling you guys about? It's because I put the glue a little bit lower than I was supposed to. But as I said, don't stress yourself. You definitely can wipe it off. As long as the wig has stuck down, that's all that matters. And there you go. I tried, guys. It is quite simple, I don't want to lie. Just make sure you've got enough mirrors so that you can kind of see at the back if you're going to be doing this yourself. And also just take your time. Thank you, Sogoodhair, and guys, please shop the hair. All the details are in the description box. Bye.